So in this video, it's my first Java video. So basically the whole agenda is mostly nothing. I'm going to teach you every single thing in Java mostly. I'm going to do some more Java related videos like Selenium I might be doing, and I might be doing also POM framework. So first we need to learn Java, because like if we want to do Selenium or learn the POM framework or anything like that, we need to know Java perfectly. What I mean by perfectly is like have a really good grip in Java, or else you'll really get confused in Selenium and stuff. Okay, so I've started my screen recording of my laptop, so let's jump into it. I'm just going to minimize this. Okay, let's just double check if it's on. Yep, it's recorded perfectly. To install it, you just go to Chrome. Okay, go to Chrome, search for Java. I'm going to use Java 8 because it's like the standard version. There are loads of standard versions, Java 9, Java 10 and all. So let's just install 8 for now, because we can use 9 and 10 all, but I prefer 8. And there's another reason, for Selenium and other POM framework as well. 8 is more compatible than 9, 10 and others. Okay, then you get Java 8 download, go to download. It will take you to www.java.com, but don't go there. I prefer just going to oracle.com. I accept all cookies. So they've changed their license. If you're like working for some sort of organization, then you need to buy like the licensed version, which is costly. But we're not any organization. I'm just a normal kid. So let's just go here. Go to Java SE Development Kit and 8U271. It's the latest version. Remember, I had 241, but they got an updated version now. So if you're using Linux, use this. Linux, Mac OS this, but I'm using Windows here. So I will go Windows 64-bit install. I've reviewed, download. Okay, then it will take you to the sign on page thingy, sign in. So I'm just going to enter my stuff. Sorry, just wait 1 second. Nice, perfect. We've logged in and it started downloading here. You can just go back. So there's like these stuff, demo, sample, download and stuff. Don't go there, or like you will download eventually if you like scroll down a lot and come here, but I hope you don't. Check as well where you are. Under this title only, go down, then you can like select whatever operating system you're using. Let's just wait for it. Nice, it's installed. Not installed, downloaded. Open it up. The exe is going to get opened. Okay, say yes. Okay. Now say 1 second. Now just come here and say next. Okay, say next. It's gonna install it. So another thing, so JDK is like the development kit, Java development kit, and JRE is the Java runtime environment. After Java 9 and from Java 9, you are not going to have the JRE if you're wondering, because like they switched or something, I don't know. Okay, it's saying something here now. No, we don't want to change. If you want to change, you can, but don't bother changing unless you really want to. Okay, it's going to take a while. Java 25 years. Nice. Okay, it's going to install. And it says like last time when I downloaded it, it said like over 6 million downloaders or something. So basically Java was built by Sun Microsystems, but then Oracle brought it, like buyed it totally over the whole Java thing. So now they're managing the Java thing, the Java programming language. So after we download this, install and download and set up the path for this Java, then I can open the IDE, so like I basically will install it, but I think I won't show you how I install it because I've already got it on my laptops, all of my laptops. Nice, just say close now, don't say next steps, because it will take you to some website, Oracle website, and say what you do to set up next, so don't worry about that. So some people will be just going in and saying Java, and they'll think it will come, but it's not set up the proper way yet. If we want to really set it up in the proper way, we go to we just go to here and say system. Just open it up. I think these guys are doing it automatically into our path, but yeah, I think they upgraded it. Go to environment variables. Oh, they've already set the thing up for us. Wait, they didn't. Did they? One second, they didn't do anything. Oh, I didn't say okay here. Well, whatever, just wait one second. Don't worry about this, what I'm doing right now. This is just nothing. Go back to advanced systems. So when you come into the system thingy, go to advanced system settings, then go to environment variables. Okay, I've just removed everything. So first we need to go to this file explorer, go to Windows, C drive, where you set the software up, like not the software, like where the Windows thing is, not the recovery or D, just go to the C drive. Yeah, C drive is more simple, just say C drive. Then go to program files, then go into Java, then there you will have JDK, the new version, the thing what we downloaded, and JRE, what we downloaded. So we just go here. It's not recognizing anything now. Okay, because we removed it from the path as well. So why is it not working? We need to set it up. We didn't set it up properly at all. So to set it up, we need to go inside this JDK and the bin, bin binary. Copy all of this, Control C it, minimize, come into this environment variable section, then in the system variable part you need to say new. Wait, you don't need to say new. Just scroll down. You will find path, something saying path. If you don't find it, just scroll down and try to find this path saying thing under the variable section. Double click into it. Then you have loads of things. Don't worry about it. Just say new. Okay? Then say Control V. You copied it, just paste it here now. And remember, you need to have this bin. If you don't have it, it's going to be a bit of a problem. Then just say OK. Just move it up because yeah, I just want to move it up. Okay, it's already moved up. No, it's not. I need to move up a bit. Yep, it's moved up. Say OK. Then, after we did this, just say new again. Java. Then just say underscore home. Then keep some value for it. Then remove this bin part and the other slash. Then say OK. Say OK again. OK. Okay. So now open the command prompt all again, like a new one, new window. Close the other one. Then select say Java. Should be there. See? Perfect. Now let's check the version. It's saying the Java version is 1.80.0 underscore 271. Okay, so we have successfully got our Java in. So first, after we did this, we want to do some programming. Where we're going to do the programming, like the actual writing part, we need an IDE to do it. So an IDE, I usually prefer Eclipse. It's more easy to use, it's free and stuff. Some people use IntelliJ, the free version. Some people use the paid version as well. But yeah, I don't prefer IntelliJ for some reason. It's a bit hard for Selenium and stuff. You need to get the pro version, like the paid version. Now if you say Java, you don't need to Java C. Okay, perfect. Everything is set up. Now we need to download Eclipse for everything. So to do that, just come say new tab in your thingy, Eclipse download. Then you'll come to this www.eclipse.org downloads. Go into it or just go to the normal website. I'll go to the normal website. Then say download. You're going to come to the downloads page. Then go to say download. Then it's going to download an exe. I'm not going to do it now because I already have it installed. I don't want to delete it and do it all again because it will take a while for me to set it up all again. So just go in, go download. That will show you like this. Then it shows like an exe file will open up. Then just say next, and accept the license. If you want to change anything, change it like normal. And yeah, it will open another exe, I guess, or it will open the start exe. I forgot because it's been loads of days since I downloaded it again. So then just go. I'll just do it with you. Forget. Nice, it's getting installed. I just want to cancel it now. I don't want it. It's saying with GRE. We have already installed our GRE if you remember. Wait, it's not with. Yeah, let's cancel it. Download it. Well, it's not with GRE, it's something. GRE. I thought that was with. Okay, it's gonna load. And it's gonna download. You can donate here if you want. Okay, so just say open. It's gonna open. Nice, perfect. Then you'll come here. You'll see Eclipse IDE for Java developers and this enterprise one. You can pick any one, but for now, I will just say use this one. This will be helpful for Selenium as well. Yeah, then just say install. You can unselect these, just see it and do it yourself. Okay, then it's going to get installed and you can open the Eclipse and stuff. We can carry on. So when you open Eclipse, I'm just going to show you how Eclipse is going to look and stuff. And do a basic Java program maybe. Okay, just open it. It'll ask you to create a workspace. So I guess you should say create, but I already created my workspace, so I'll just go and say next. Okay, it opened up. You'll just get this normal thing. You should just go and say now. This is how you create a folder, a package, and a class. Just go File, New, Java Project. You won't have these other stuff. I guess you'll have this, all of these. And you'll have this homepage thing. You have this button at the side somewhere here. You click it, then you get into this whole page. Or you just go up here and you will find these things here. Then just click on this. Then you'll come into the workspace basically. Then you can create your Java project. Say, give it a name. I'll give it YouTube Java. It is a capital G. You can keep a space there as well if you want, but I prefer not to. Then just come here, go GRE, click on this, go to 1.8. If you didn't download Java 8, as I showed you, if you downloaded 9, 10, 11 to 14 something, just go and click that number while we downloaded. Okay, now just create separate folder for source classes. That's what we want. Then say finish. If you open this, you have an src and this thing. Don't don't open it. And you can open it, but like don't change anything in that. Right click on SRC, new package, and give a package name. I'm just going to give it Y and Java, YouTube Java basically. And you should always give like a small letter. They're like these conditions in Java file structure. Not conditions, but people do follow it because Java says to follow it. If you don't follow it, there's not going to be so much difference, but just follow it. It's good. Y Java it says. That's what I put. Leave the source folder as YouTube Java /src and finish. Okay, you have this package created inside src. Right click, new class. Okay, leave it as it is, leave it as it is. Create a name. So basically, for create, just give a name, capital with starting letter, capital. I'll give it first program. Then just say select public static void main and finish. Before we write anything, I just want you to know one thing, which is the file structure and how the case works. So first, you have a folder, okay? Then inside that, you have an SRC. Then inside that, you have a package. Then inside that, you have first program, any class name. Any class, basically. You have a Java.java file and .class file. To show you in clarity, I'll just open this, like where I set it up. See, YouTube Java. Then you have bin src. What I just told you. You can see YouTube Java, go inside, then you can see bin and src. If you open the src, you can see your package. If you go into the package, you can see your first program. You'll just see this IntelliJ if you have IntelliJ installed in your laptop. If it's not installed, then you won't see it. And in bin, you have the class file. See, in the bin file, you basically have everything same, like this. Remember this. You go to bin, you go inside this, then you'll see .class, but in the src, you'll see a normal .java file, but the .java you can't see it. Hide the .java part in the file explorer. Okay, next we want to write a basic Java program. That's the file structure I told you before we write a program. The case, I want to tell you the case. So first, for our folder, our main project folder, this part youtube.java what I kept, the first letter should be capital. You can have spaces in this, but I prefer not, and some people, the teachers who teach Java also prefer not to have spaces in this. You can go camel case. So camel case is basically some letter at the front, capital or small, capital for this file. Then if you're writing YouTube, it's a word. If you're writing another word, we usually keep a space, don't we? But here, just keep a capital letter and write the word. If you're writing a new word, capital letter, write the word without any spaces, basically. And for src, normal. So this is the package folder, and this is the folder. So for this, all of these are small. For the package folder, folder, package, or package folder, whatever you can call it. For the package, small letter first, and for the class is like this class. The first letter should be capital. Okay, that's the file structure and stuff. Inside, you'll see inside this Java, you'll see I just went out for a second. So before you write anything, you'll see this package y Java. So basically, it's just telling you what package you're in, not what package you're in. It's not telling you anything. It's just referring. So we just know that package is in package y Java. Then you'll see this public class first program. So what is this class? So basically, this class is like where you write everything, your code. Inside class, you'll see this method. Now, we call it method because of the structure. It's called the main method in Java language, where there's main and there's this string array args. So if you don't know what an array is, don't worry, because we're going to learn about it. Just totally ignore everything, but just listen to what I'm saying. So inside the class, you'll have methods. This is a method structure. Don't think about what's method now. This is just for your knowing and understanding. Inside the class, you can keep variables. We call it class level variables. Don't wonder what they are, because I'm going to tell you. This is just an overview of like everything. In the next class, I'm going to give you everything in detail. Then we're going to learn more things in the upcoming classes, of course. So, in the main method, we write whatever we want to see, like on the console. For just so we know, so to see anything on the console, we say system.out.println. SYSO shortcut, SYSO control space. This is system.out.println. You might be seeing, Haavish, what are we going to see on the console? Because we wrote this line, we're not going to see anything. We need to go inside this bracket stuff. Inside that, we need to like put double quotations. Inside the double quotations, write something. Hi, or hello world. Save. You just Control S to save it, the code. Then you come up here and say run, this button, play button. Ta-da, you go. What is it? Hello world. Perfect. So now we know how to print something on the console, basically, the console. We can change it to anything we want to say. Hi, Yuri. Okay, save it and run it. See, we're getting it. Exact thing what we wrote, we're going to get it. Even the capitals. If I take the word world into the capital letter, you'll see. If you forget to save and you run it, it's going to say you this. Say select all always and click this always thing and say OK. So you don't need to say Control S and then play. You can just say direct play and it won't ask you to save again and again. Okay, that's that. Whatever you write in this, it comes like it's shown in the system.out.println. And so we write the system.out.println always in the main method. The main, this main thing, we write inside that. And I told you, if you remember, this is a method. We write everything inside methods. So what are methods? I'm going to teach you in the next class. But just for now, this is called the main method. Inside this, whatever you write it is gonna be like printed on the console. Ignore this, but just I'm gonna show you. Okay, now I'm gonna write system.out.println. I'm gonna save it and I'm gonna run it. So you're not getting this output. Of course you're not gonna get this output because it's not in the main method. It's not in the main method. To get this value, there's another method. We call it objects and things, which I'm gonna teach you in the later lessons. So today, what we have learnt, so it's the end of the video. So today, what we have learnt is how to install Java, how to like put the path and stuff, like the environment variables, how to set Java up basically, install Java, download and install Java, set up Java in our machine, in our system. Then we've learnt how to open Eclipse, download Eclipse, like I did teach you basically how to install it, but I didn't install it, like clicking install and stuff, because I already had it installed in my computer. Then we have opened Eclipse up. We have created a project. Inside the project, we have created an SRC, a package, and a class. And we learned what is the structure of a project. And we have learned what cases we use. I mean by what cases? Camel case, or I told you like capital letters, small letters and stuff. We call them cases in programming. I guess we call that in normal language as well. And I've shown you how to print something on the console and what it's like in a Java file basically, like all of this, what this class is, like a proper overview. This is not the like proper exact thing I'm going to do in the next class and the upcoming classes, so don't worry. And I told you like what a method is, an overview, what the main method is, and I've told you whatever we put in the main method, like a system.out.println, it will come onto the console. And I've just created something, we call it method. Don't worry about this code, this line of code. It's totally nothing. I'll tell you in the upcoming lessons what this is, why I've done this and stuff. This is also a method I just told you, and ignore it. And that's it. Then I'm telling you what we overall did. So if you're wondering again what the agenda is, I might give in the description box down below, like the whole classes A to Z, like what I did in the class, like the whole lessons, what I'm going to teach in what class and stuff. Not clearly, because like I'm still planning. Okay, so bye guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Please do like, share and subscribe.